Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete survivor.io account. First of all, open survivor.io inside your mobile phone and make sure that you already are logged in with your account. And once you are at the home page like this one, so from here you can just click on these three lines from the upper left corner, and after that you will see these options. Just go to the settings, and once you're inside the settings, so you will see this option either called general, which is general setting, and you can just click on account from the right side, and you will see these options: related account, habit, or unrelated, link account to earn rewards, things like that. So from here there's no direct way to delete your survivor.io account. You just cannot find it, as the game has not added this option inside that. So what you can do is just click on this feedback, and after that they will ask you to select an issue. So you just need to click on contact us, and after that make sure to enter your email address in this section and write down the problem that I want to delete my account. I'm not no longer playing survivor.io, or write down the reason. Make sure to explain as well and give proper reason. Enter the email address and just click on submit. And once you submit, they might be able to delete your account and help you in that matter. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this issue and delete your account if you want to.